Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, children, will you turn on your videos?
Good evening,
Who is
ma'am.
this Nutella? Nutella is also there in our class. Ashishuni? No. Who is Nutella?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who was that? Nutella?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, someone named Ketchup also.
Ah, ketchup. Aha. All eatables. Who is this ketchup with tomato?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Who was that?
Ma'am.
Mayonnaise. I will not admit you. I will remove. Now what happened today? Is it? Are you hungry too much today? Huh? Nutella, ketchup, mayonnaise, all those names. Who was that person I want to see? Hello. Tell the name. I understood. Savio. Yes?
Ketchup
Ketchup is?
gone. He's not in the class.
Who? Marissa, I did not understand. Sorry.
Ketchup is not in class.
Not in our class.
No, ma'am. He left.
Savio, was that you? Savio? Okay. Okay, children. Okay, Nihal, what happened? You were absent for the first class?
Ma'am, some network issue.
Surya, see? Surya Krishnadas.
Ma'am.
Yes, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ashish, Smriti, what happened?
Ma'am, the 14th question you gave for homework, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, that was very similar to a question that we already did.
No problem. You do the homework. No problem. Whatever.
I already did it.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Then, shall we start with the area?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board? Our
No,
panel
ma'am.
board?
No, ma'am.
You can see your laptop or mobile, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see full of our pictures, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
That is, this board is filled with the pictures of yours, students, right?
And we can see them.
Okay. So, that means our panel board is filled with your pictures. Filled with your pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My pictures and names.
Isn't it only in the boundary?
No, ma'am.
No.
Inside.
It is inside surface. Okay. Your pictures are all of yours images are full of the board, is filled completely the board. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That is known as area. Okay, children?
Yes.
Okay. So, shall we find the area of the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Let us count how many are there, our participants. How many participants, including me? 25. So, area of this panel board is 25 images.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? If we are counting on the basis of images, this panel board's area is 25 images.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever we are counting, we are calculating the area, we are looking at the surface, total surface. Okay, children? Now
Yes, ma'am.
suppose this surface is filled with these many squares. Can you find the area of this?
Ma'am, it is 16 squares.
16 squares. So area is 16 squares. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it is filled with, the area means area is not the boundary. Boundary is perimeter. So framing a picture,
Inside the boundary.
fencing a garden, running around a rectangular park, all those things around a closed figure is always associated with perimeter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you are calculating inside, something is filled inside. Okay. Inside our book, inside the board. If the area is the amount of surface. Okay, children? And
Okay,
the
ma'am.
problems will relate like this. We can relate like this. If it is a wall, look at your wall. You are sitting inside one room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
look at the wall behind. It is all painted, right?
Yes,
Painted.
ma'am.
How will you paint? Is it on the boundary or fully filled?
Fully
Ma'am,
filled.
Fully. We are painting fully, right? So
Yes,
inside the surface also we will paint on the top of the surface. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
So for painting, we are finding the area for painting.
Ma'am, for
Okay,
laying
children?
tiles.
For
For
painting.
laying tiles.
Then
Ma'am,
look at the room. Look at your floor. How that floor is filled with which object your floor is filled?
ma'am, tiles.
Tiles. Okay.
Tiles.
So the floor is filled with the tiles. Okay. So tiling a floor, we are finding the area. Clear, children?
Yes,
Tiling a
ma'am.
floor, we are finding the area. Painting a wall, we are finding the area. Okay. So whatever is filled, the surface is completely filling the surface is known as area. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Without any gap. So I'll show this. Okay, children. So will you write the heading area?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the heading area. We are deriving the formula of area.
Okay,
Write the
ma'am.
main heading area. AREA. See, children, there is a small round here and a big round circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Which occupies more surface?
Ma'am, the bigger round.
Bigger one. Here one small rectangle and a big rectangle. Which
Ma'am, the
occupies
big
more
one.
Rectangle.
space, more region?
Big
Big
Bigger one.
rectangle. And one small leaf and a big leaf.
Big
Ma'am, the big
leaf.
leaf.
Big leaf. One small star and a big star. So you can understand from this which occupies more region. Which one? The bigger one.
Big
How
ones.
did you understand? Because it has more space. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So there is one definition of it. Perimeter is the total distance covered through the boundary, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Only the boundary. Like our board has a aluminium frame, only the frame. Okay, framing a picture, fencing a garden, jogging around a rectangular park. Perimeter always associated with going around once. But area is something different. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. That is the definition. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area.
Ma'am, can we write this down?
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Okay. So here, children, one leaf is there, another one cloud-like thing is there. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
which encloses more area? Which has more area? How can you find
Ma'am, a
it?
cloud. Cloud.
The cloud.
How will you?
The
How can you find it properly?
Ma'am, because the cloud
So,
is much
okay,
bigger than
okay.
the
You
leaf,
will
so
think
it
like
can
that,
carry
but
more weight.
how we'll find it? See, children, if we keep this cloud and the leaf in a squared paper, can you see? You might have seen the graph papers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
keep that
Yes, ma'am.
cloud shape or the leaf shape in a graph paper. You can count how many squares it can occupy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us count the squares which this cloud shape occupies. And if we are drawing the leaf like this, we can count how many space it occupies. So by
Okay,
counting
ma'am.
those squares, we can understand that which has the more space. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now here, it is this leaf and this cloud are irregular pictures, irregular shapes. It is difficult to find the area by counting the squares. It is because there may be that cell, that square, only half, correct half it will not occupy. So some piece only it will occupy. So it is difficult to find the area of the irregular pictures. But you can find the area following by counting the squares, right? So, can you see the pictures there? Find the area of the following figures by counting squares.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let us start from first one. Okay, what is
Okay,
the,
ma'am.
look at the figure A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ma'am, we have to
9.
draw.
No need of drawing, no need of drawing. We are just counting it. Okay, children? How many
Okay.
squares it will occupy? It is occupying
9.
9.
9. So that area for its area is 9 squares. Okay, 9 squares. And what about the second figure?
5.
5. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second figure is 5
5.
squares. And look at this one.
4. Ma'am, 5.
See, children, one full square is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 2 full squares.
And then 4
So
half
2
square.
plus, then there are half squares.
4.
4.
How many
4.
half squares?
4.
4. 4. 2 half squares, if like this, 2 half squares if we join, it will become a full square,
Full square.
isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is its
4.
area?
Ma'am, 3
4.
squares.
No,
3
not
squares.
3.
4.
1, 2.
4.
This is
4.
1, this is
4
2.
squares.
And these 2 together, third one. And these 2 together, fourth one.
Squares.
So how many
4.
how many squares?
4.
4
4.
squares. Okay. And what about the next figure?
8.
8.
8 squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
So 8. And what about this?
10.
And
1,
10.
2, 3,
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. And this one, F.
4.
4.
How
4.
did you understand?
Ma'am, half squares.
half
And
squares.
join
2 full squares. Then these 2, 1 full square. 2 will make 1 full square. And these 2 also will make 1 full square. So how many full squares?
4.
4 full squares. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1, 2,
F5.
3,
5.
4,
5.
4 full squares plus 1, 2. 2 half squares.
Ma'am, 6.
Totally there are
Ma'am,
6. And what about this?
5.
5 squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what
5.
about this?
9.
9.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. And this one?
4.
4 squares.
Okay. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. And this one 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. And
5.
here, I'll show you one thing. And this one, this last one, can you see the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Here some full squares are there, children. 1, 2,
2.
2 full
2 full
squares.
and
Ma'am,
3 almost. Hmm? And see, children, here what technique we use? No, I'll tell you. Here, children, here there is some, this part is missing, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If we take this and join somewhere, okay, some part like that. That means here, can you see one? Incomplete space.
Yes, ma'am.
That we will take from there and we will fix some place which is similar, vacant similarly. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So in like that, if we fix some space which is correct, like some puzzles are there, no? Puzzles of
Yes, ma'am.
some birds or flowers.
Yes.
Jigsaw
Or
puzzles.
1 minute, I'll show you. See one minute. Say some states puzzles are there.
Yes,
India,
ma'am.
how many states are there? All those states puzzles you will get, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So what we are doing? We are keeping one state picture, and some gaps are there. Correct.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
gap we will fill, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the gaps we will fill, and like that way we can find the area. Means we can find which state has filled there properly, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That way, this one also we can do. Okay, children, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the method of doing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So now it is for us. It is difficult to find out where we can fill the gap. If it is, we can take out from in our hands. It will be easy for us to fix,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? So this figure and this figure and this figure also, we will use that method. Okay, somewhere in some spaces, the gaps we can fill properly. Okay. Okay, children. So these type of figures are known as irregular figures. It is not regular. Clear?
Okay,
Clear,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will find how to find the area. See, there is a figure here. Okay, this is this rectangle. Lengthwise, how many squares are there? Lengthwise. Lengthwise.
Five
1,
squares.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
And breadthwise,
3.
Three.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So lengthwise 5 and breadthwise 3. Okay, children. Now let us count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How will you get that 15 from 5 and 3?
3 into 5.
Multiplied
3
by
into 5. So length 15 squares. Okay. So lengthwise how many will contain and breadthwise how many we can contain? So there is a connection with area and length and breadth. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a connection with the area and length and breadth. What is that connection?
Ma'am, length into breadth is equal to the area.
Area. So length into breadth is equal to area. Okay. Here, the length is 3 and breadth is 4. So what is the area?
Ma'am, 12.
12.
You will get the answer by multiplying both. It is very easy to find. 3 into 4 equal to 12. And 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What is its area?
35.
7 into 5 equal to 35.
35. 15.
Square
Next 15.
centimeter. That is its unit. Square centimeter.
Okay.
And next one, 5 and 3.
15.
15.
15. 5 into 3 equal to 15 square centimeter. This is the
And we
connection.
have to write that.
Understood, children? Wait. Okay. First of all, you have to, did you write the heading area?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
We
again,
also
you write the heading area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Okay. So I'll draw a rectangle here.
Then we have to draw.
Yes. Okay. Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So area equal to 5 into 3 equal to 15 square centimeter.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Ah. After writing this, you have to write this sentence.
Ma'am.
Okay, did you write the formula there? Area of rectangle equal to
Yes, ma'am.
length into breadth equal to L into B. That is the formula. L into B. When we studied that algebra, I have given you the areas formula L into B. And we are substituting different values for L and B, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And only that box, right?
Eh? Did you write this?
Yes, ma'am. The
Left
box.
side what I have drawn?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
After that, you have to write this area of the rectangle, that sentence, no, bold letters written.
Yes, ma'am.
And equal to L into B. That is the formula.
Ma'am, should we write the area is equal to 5 into 3, 15 square centimeter?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, after you have to write this, what I am writing? Area of square. This together we will study both this. Area of square. Square means all sides are equal.
Ma'am, regular quadrilateral.
Okay. So length is 4 centimeter, breadth also 4 centimeter. All sides are 4 centimeter. So its area is 4 into 4 equal to 16 square centimeter. That is area of square equal to we won't use the word length and breadth because length and breadth is same for this. So we use the word side into side because both length and breadth is same and we use only side. Area of rectangle, area of square.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Okay, children, what is the formula for finding area of a rectangle?
Ma'am, length in L into B.
L into B. Okay. What is the formula for finding area of a square? Side into side. Into side. Okay. So don't forget this. And tomorrow we will continue with the topic. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I wind up now? Tomorrow I'll ask all these formulas together. Totally, we have studied 4 formulas. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.